Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are talking about face shapes and face correction, and I will show you some images on how to do it based on your face shape and your preferences. So first of all, we have 6 face shapes: oblong, rectangle, round, diamond, heart and oval. To determine which face shape you have, you need to watch this image closely and then get a mirror and see which one of these look more similar to your face. As you can see, the oblong face shape hasn't really defined cheeks, so that's why you need to correct that to hide that area where the face should be more oval. Before we go to talk about the next one, I need to say that the oval face shape is considered the perfect one, so that's kind of a model for correcting. We basically correct to get the look of an oval shape. Now, the rectangle one, as you can see, is corrected in those areas to kind of mimic the oval shape again. The round face, as you can see, needs a little different correction to make those edges look much more defined. The diamond shape, it has almost the same correction pattern. The heart one is also different when it comes to correcting, but if you respect those patterns, you will get awesome results. As I already told you in the previous video, in this industry you are constantly learning, new trends are coming, so you will need a lot of practice, but you will practice, so with practice will come the learning. If you are determined to learn how to do this, you will get better and better at this. Don't be afraid to mess up, wash it off and do it 10 times better. Now let's talk a little bit about your eyebrows. I will insert a picture right here for you to see the important points of an eyebrow to be able to make them look similar. A nice tip here is that if your eyes are a little bit far from each other, you should let the base of the brow start more closely to the nose, because this will visually make your eyes look more closer. Talking about brows is really a choice of yours if you want to embrace those trends like straight brows, like I do, or you just want to stick to the arched brows. It's all up to you. For nose correction, I have some hacks that I will post here for you to make it easier, like this one or this one. For lips, talking about me personally, I like plump lips, so I always overline my lips a bit to get them look more plumper. Oh, I almost forgot. Gloss. Use gloss because it makes your lips look much more plumper and healthier. So now that we know about face correction and how to correct those face shapes, we will get into doing a 2022 makeup with the skills that we learned in those videos. So let's go to the next one.